Continue on Alief-Clodine Road past Cook Road, and be sure to stay in your left lane. If you're not already there, make the lane change as soon as it's safe, because the entrance to the Westpark Tollway is coming up quickly. Next, merge into the left turn lane at the West Houston Center Boulevard intersection. This is where you'll make your turn to access the tollway. Make a wide left turn and immediately stay in the right lane. The tollway entrance will be on your right. Activate your left turn signal and safely merge onto the main lanes. Congratulations! You have successfully entered the Westpark Tollway. Now, the vibrant districts of Westchase, Uptown, and Bellaire City await you.